Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on connection visibility on your LinkedIn app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So just go up here, you will click here on this picture, then it's going to show for you a window like this. Then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, just waiting to show for you like this. You click here on visibility and you come to next window here, then you just come here to connections, you will click here, then it's going to take you here in this window or connection visibility window. Then you come here to connections visibility, you click here on this sign, and like you see this color show for us, that's make connection visibility, it's on now. I wish now you I get it. So that's all, just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.